is what we are seeing so far, Harsha.
Thanks for that, Priyank. That's Adi Godrej of GCPL earnings being declared. Let's cut in right now.
Was the annual results yesterday. The growth in the fourth quarter was much better than of the industry as a whole. Our growth in all our major categories was higher than the industry. Overall sales growth was 12% in quarter 4. EBITDA growth was 22% and net profit grew 13% if you do not take into account the extraordinary income we had in the same quarter of the previous year. For the year as a whole, sales growth was 18%, EBITDA growth was 16%, and net profit growth, again, without taking the extraordinary profit in the base of the previous year, was 14%. So Godrej Consumer Products has grown ahead of the FMCG category. Of course, the fact is that the FMCG category has slowed down during the last financial year, but we are very optimistic that if we get a growth-oriented government post the election results, then I think the sentiment in the country will change dramatically and could lead to a recovery in the normal growth rates in the FMCG sector. I'll now ask our Managing Director Vivek Gambhir to give more detailed comments on our performance.
Thank you, Mr. Godrej. We delivered a quarter of robust operating performance in a difficult environment, balancing sales growth with very strong growth in operating profits. In India, the overall household and personal care sector witnessed another quarter of low single digits growth. In this environment, our sales grew at more than 3 times the category growth rates. Our volume growth rate was around 9%, reflecting the strength of our portfolio. Our rural growth was particularly strong with about 20% growth. We continue to gain share across our categories on the back of strong innovations. On the international side, our business also did well, particularly in Africa. For the year, our international business grew at about 24%. Along with growing at significantly higher than market growth rates, another key highlight for the quarter was the strong growth in EBITDA. At 22% growth in EBITDA, our EBITDA growth was almost 2 times the growth in sales growth. We believe that our operating performance of sales growth coupled with strong EBITDA growth will be among the best performances in this quarter for the sector. We are hopeful that as the macroeconomic environment improves, we will see much better performance. We are very well positioned to further accelerate our performance as the market environment improves. Thank you.
You may ask some questions. You just mentioned about rural.
All right, that's the management of Godrej Consumer Products. Good set of numbers. The stock is up about 1.25%. It's trading in the green at this point in time. That's Godrej Consumer. Super break, but coming up next, we're going to be talking business with R.C. Bhargav of Maruti.